So I'm going to be talking about the midterm and the final for the class. Now for the midterm, what you'll notice is I've got this midterm outline that I've given you, and for each chapter I've sort of outlined exactly what the main concepts are that you're going to need to know for the final and the midterm. So what I would do to study for this is I would go through each of these statements and make sure that you understand the concepts that they're teaching. So the final is going to look very similar to this. For example, there may be a true or false question that says, does C# have its roots in C++, C, and Java? So the answer would be true. There would also be other questions mixed in of like multiple choice. So maybe this might be a multiple choice question, where it's like this is A, this is B, this is C, and D is all of the above kind of a thing. So I won't make you write out the definitions or anything like that, but there are going to be multiple choice, matching, and then a few fill in the blank, or the type of questions. So to study, again, just go through each of these chapters. These are the main concepts in each chapter that you want to make sure you understand. So you need to understand the concept of a namespace, concept of using, how to use a message box, understand integer division. Again, just the basics of gotos, the ifs and the while statements, for loops. Like I may make you read a little bit of code and then you have to select the answer that some variable is set to after it's gone through this for loop. Chapter 7, we look at these methods. You have to understand by reference and by value. Some things with strings and characters, generic methods and generic classes. Again, just understand what they are. I'm not going to make you write out code or anything like that. Again, it's all just multiple choice, true or false, and matching. So go through, understand these concepts. Down here at the bottom, you'll see keywords. And so these are the questions that are going to be matching. So again, I'm not going to make you write out the definition, but you need to understand what each one of these are. The final, you'll see that the outline is exactly the same. And as I scroll down here, it's just got the extra chapters at the end. And then it also just has some extra keywords at the end. Both the midterm and the final are taken online. You don't have to have a proctor. It is closed books and closed notes, which is just you're kind of on the honesty policy. And if you have any other questions, just let me know.